Okay, so now let's suppose that this is the question for the example of series circuit. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate total current through each resistance and voltage across each resistance of the circuit. So first, to calculate total current, we would need total resistance of the circuit. So to calculate total resistance, as I mentioned in my last video for series circuit, it will be simply R1 plus R2. So that will be simply 7 plus 5, that is equals to 12 ohm. Now, next task is to calculate total current I. Now, as we know from Ohm's law, I is equals to V upon R. So, when we put the value of V as 10 volt as given in the question divided by 12 ohm, this will approximately give us the current value as 0.83 ampere. Now, next thing is current through each resistance. To calculate current through each resistance, let's say I1. So now, as I mentioned in the previous video, that total resistance through the total current through the series circuit is same, doesn't matter from which resistance is it about. So I1 is equals to I2 is equals to I, that is 0.83 ampere. Now, next we have to calculate voltage across each resistance. So, to calculate voltage across each resistance, we will again apply Ohm's law. So, V1 will be equals to I1 into R1 and V2 will be equal to I2 into R2. Now, I am going to put the value of I1 as 0.83 ampere times R1, that is 7 ohm. So when we will calculate it, it will come out to be 5.81 volt. Similarly for V2, I'll put I2 as again 0.83 ampere and R2 as 5 ohm. Now for this one, V2 will come out to be 4.15 volt. So this is voltage across each resistance, that is total current through the circuit, and this is current through each of the resistances. In this way, you can calculate the parameters that are being asked you to calculate in the series circuit. In the next one, we'll learn how to solve for parallel circuit. Thank you.